Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and today I'm here to share with you an innovative tool called ThingLink. It's going to let us annotate a still image with text and media. The first thing I want to do is come up here and log in at ThingLink.com. When I click log in, I'm going to come back and log in with my Google account. It's going to sync me, and I'm going to come up here to this button called Create. I'm going to upload an image, and for this I have an image uploaded into my hard drive. I'm going to click Open, and ThingLink imports my still image. Now it's my job to make it interactive, and I've already done all of my research. I have my tabs open up here that I'm going to use to link and make hyperlinks inside the still image to make it a rich source of my research for people to explore. And I'm going to do that by dropping tags. So the first tag I'm going to do is down here by the artist's name. You can see down here that the mural was created in 1996. I'm going to click on it. It's going to drop a tag. Now I can change the tag icons up here. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change mine to A. Just to let everybody know, I want you to start there. And I'm going to come here to my first website. I'm going to highlight it, do a Control-C, come back to ThingLink, and I'm going to do Control-V. So you can see it's generating the information. I want to put this into my own words. I'm going to put click here to go to the Friends of Community Public Art and learn more about the mural and the artist. Once I'm done, you can see that it populates. I'm going to click Save. Now that tag is right there, I'm going to insert another tag. Now, because I put A here, it's automatically going to populate A again. So I'm just going to change that now to B. The second thing I'm going to do is I found this really awesome article in Britannica online using my Clever account. I'm going to do another Control-C and come back here and Control-V. I'm going to put and change this. Click on Britannica School. Whoops. Jeez Louise. See, I'm just using my tools to get around. Okay, on Britannica School to learn more about Catherine Dunham's life. I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to change the title of this to the person's name so that when I upload it, everybody knows what I'm going to do. I'm going to put another point in. I'm going to change that point now to C. You don't have to use these. These are just easier for me to use. The first video that I found is actually of her dancing. Control-C. Control-V. I checked the site license. It's going to let me show this clip. This is actual primary footage of Miss Dunham dancing. Click. I'm going to add another pin here. I'm going to change that to D. I found another YouTube video of her talking about her life, which is really cool. I always love to listen to people talk. Control-V. This is an interview with Miss Dunham about her life. Hit Save. drop in another pin. I'm going to change it to be E. I found this cool article from the Daily Herald, Control C. There's actually a statue too about her, which I didn't know, which I thought was pretty cool. And it's actually being relocated because of some restaurant that's going in right here. And I found out of, as of today, the statue has not hit save. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Look how fast that was. And then I'm going to drop one more pin in on Google Earth. And I'm going to change that to actually be a little pin like that to show you where, Control C. Her mural is actually located right here. So here's the coordinates. I typed in the title, or not the title, the street addresses. She's at the intersection of Michigan Street and Clinton Street. So it's right here at the corner by Silver Cross Field. You've probably walked by it a million times and didn't even pay attention. And I'll hit Control V. Use Google Earth to see where and then I'm going to hit save. And then the last thing I'm going to do, and if I don't like where these pins are, I can always move them and put them wherever I want, or even if I wanted to change them and say that I didn't want this to be that tag, I could always come up and I could change it to be something else. Just need to hit save. And then the last thing I'm going to do is save the image. When I save the image, you can see that it's here, and as I hover over it, the links become interactive, which is totally cool, and I can show my teacher that I've used multiple sites. The last thing I'm going to do is to share, so I'm going to hit the share button. And sharing the media, I want to embed this into Google Classroom. So I'm going to click the link, and I'm going to hit copy, and then that is the copied link that I'm going to paste into Classroom. Don't forget that when you're done, you need to close out and log out of the site, but it's really that easy. Thanks for listening, you guys, and I can't wait to see what you create using ThingLink.